Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So today's vlog, I'm going to be blind drawing challenge. So basically in this video, I have a paper and I have a pencil in my hand. And I'm going to be using this, I forgot the name of this tie thing. Not tie thing. Whatever the name they call this. And I'm gonna tie this. I'm gonna cover my eyes because I cannot look when I'm drawing. Okay, so in this vlog, I'm just gonna blindfold myself. Okay, but if you're new, subscribe. If you're an old subscriber, welcome. Watch all my vlogs if you have missed any. Okay, so we're gonna be blindfolding myself. Okay, I have glasses on because I wear glasses. So I might have to take off the glasses for this. So let's see how this is going to work because I cannot look at what I'm drawing. So we'll see how well I'll do this. Uh-oh. Okay, we'll see how well I will do this. So I have to blindfold. Ow, that hurts. Okay, I don't want to overly do it, and I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so guys, you cannot see me or anything right now. I cannot see the camera. I am blindfolded. I have the paper in my hand. Okay, here's the paper. If you could see, I have the pencil. And I'm going to just draw something randomly. And I cannot look. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to draw something. Okay. I don't know how long. Okay. The cord's not so long, so we'll see if it will stay. Actually, I'm gonna put it down here because I don't want it to drop, and then I'm like, why am I doing this? Okay. Oh, all right. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys what I have drawn since I was blindfolded. All right. Wow. Okay. So, guys, it's not bad actually. So I drawed 2 stars. Let me put this mic on me so y'all can kind of see what I'm saying. So I had draw 2 stars, draw a line, another line, like a squibbly line, another line, a star, a happy face, a heart, some circles, a square right here. Try to make a triangle. But it's not. So let's look on the next side. The next side, I made a line, a scribbly line. I wrote Lashana. Subscribe to Lashana's YouTube channel. That's me. I make a circle, a triangle. Looks like an A. Yeah. A circle, a star, a circle, and another star. So, not bad. Not bad. If you guys want to do this type of video, do. Guys, look at that. I did this all by myself blindfolded. I didn't even look. Like that's amazing. Okay. But other than that, sorry, I got a little frightened hearing that in the background. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you would do this blind drawing challenge. I think this is a fun little video. Like this is like, you know, when people are like when a person's blind and they pretend to be blind and like, for example, I'll show you in the video. Let me show you. 'Cause even though like I'm not blind and I know a lot of people are blind, but I remember back in the day when I was at my like, this was like high school, and we had to pretend to be blind. And we had to go like this. I'm gonna show you because you know this could be in like an education video. Like if you know somebody, no, I can't. Okay, I had to put this. Let me put this here so I know what I'm doing. Okay, so I had to cover myself. So this could be an education video. Like if you know anybody who's blind and they don't know where they're going. I'm gonna show you, for example. I'm gonna try to like find my surrounding. So where's my mic? I don't have my mic. Sorry. I don't have the mic. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna put this on me. Okay, I don't know if I can do this. Okay, if you know anybody who's blind and like we used to do like this and they give us like the cane and we have to try to like walk like this, like try to feel your surrounding and everything. So they used to do that with us back in high school. So we just walk around and everything. So right now I'm kind of walking my surrounding to see. Okay. And right now I know this is the desk and this is the dresser and the chairs right here and like this is the bed. So I kind of know my surrounding a little bit. So we used to do that in school. And sometimes they'll like give us like like a sit in a wheelchair just to just see, you know, even though I'm not blind, but like this is like, for example, if a person was blind and you know they couldn't see, so it's like it's very educational and it's like you're showing, you know, a lot of respect because there are people who are blind and they can't see or they don't know where they're going, so they have to have someone put their hand around them and help them out. So when I did this blind drawing challenge, to be honest, I did good. especially over here. And I had that blindfolded, and it was very, very good. Like that would be hard, cause one of the time I had to keep on feeling the paper, cause I didn't want to mark up the desk. So that's amazing. But I am very happy for this because somebody can be, maybe they're watching me, or they can't hear, or something like that. So it's very important to understand a person no matter what they're facing or what they're going through, because you never know. So I only did this if a person's blind and you don't know how it feels to be in their position. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, that is for today's video. I did a blind drawing challenge. I like to say I like this video because it's fun, it's educational, and something different on my channel that I have not done before. And you guys are gonna get some vlogs soon, okay? So stay tuned. Watch all my videos. Comment down below what you guys think about this video. If there's any questions, I would love to get your lovely feedback. And that would be it for today's video. But other than that, I'm going to end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think. And it's a very, very cold day. So you guys are going to see a vlog tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Well, there is a vlog tomorrow and a vlog Saturday and Sunday. And even next week you will see a vlog. So stay tuned. So you'll probably see this like the other week. Like when the weekend ends, you'll see this one. And like maybe 4 days later, you see this vlog. Okay? But I'm gonna end this vlog right here. See you guys on my next one. Watch all my videos. Comment down below. Sweet comments. And see you guys soon for more. We got more vlogs coming. So I have 2 more vlogs for these ones. And then I have about 7 vlogs on the other side. So stay tuned for more vlogs. Okay? Bye and enjoy the day. Bye bye.